We're going to give you a tour of Waterside. This is another downtown in Lakewood Ranch.
And Lakewood Ranch is inland east of Sarasota, sort of north of that, and then south of Bradenton, kind of sandwiched in between there. It's an amazing new master planned collection of communities.
Yes, and
It's basically its own city at this point.
yeah, this is very downtown. There is quite a bit of different restaurants, some shopping.
The Lakewood Ranch downtown as well,
Yeah.
which is not too far from here. And we'll insert some B-roll here. Heydy filmed of some of the new, more like corporate, chain type restaurants and businesses that are being built kind of in between those two. So this area is definitely filling out.
Yes, I think eventually there would be not much separation really from the main downtown and the Waterside.
And also nearby is the UTC Mall area and all the shopping around there. If you want more chains, there's tons there. And yeah, all the communities too throughout Lakewood Ranch are really nice, really pleasant. And I gotta say, so we'll link you in the description a video of Welland Park's downtown, which is near where we live. And they definitely got some inspiration, I think, from Waterside. There's a lot of similarities in the layout, the design. It's different though.
The big lake in the middle.
Yeah. And actually, I don't know if it's up and running yet. There's a water taxi that you can take across the lake. So if you live, you can see, and I'll zoom in. There's some houses across the pond there, or the lake. You could take a water taxi, come downtown, do your stuff here, and then take the taxi back, which is pretty sweet.
Pretty cool.
That's amazing, actually.
Yes. I like all the sitting areas too that they have. Very nice furniture.
Cushion seats.
Yeah.
That's a win. And I think one thing that so I'll give you a shot here. There's a lot more like these smaller shops, restaurants, ice cream shops, things like that, exercise places, yoga, all that kind of stuff. Got O&E coffee.
O&A coffee.
Or O&A, I always say E. O&A, it's really good coffee.
Yes.
They have one in downtown Sarasota as well, which you're not far from here. One thing to point out, I think that's a difference between Lakewood Ranch and Welland Park is Lakewood Ranch puts you closer to big cities, but more inland. Welland Park is not quite as big of a master plan community. It is more close to the beaches.
Yes.
And smaller beaches. Like here, your closest beach is going to be like Siesta Key, Anna Marie Island, which get crazy packed during the winter months.
And it's got to be at least 25, maybe 30 minutes of a drive from here. While in Welland Park, you're about 15, 20 minutes from the closest community to the closest beach.
This is one nice touch I really like about Waterside Village. As the name implies, Waterside Village, where you got bridges going over the water, which is really cool. And then up here, we'll take you to the trail here. They got the playground over here, but then along this trail over here, there's like fitness equipment along it. There's volleyball courts. So really awesome for like anything you're looking to do, whether you're shopping, ice cream, date night, whatever, workout.
Exercising.
Exactly.
Keeping active.
Workout off all that ice cream and food that you're gonna eat, maybe a couple of beers, wine.
Calories in, calories out.
The other thing I like about this area too, there's lots of apartments, luxury apartments, condos, things like that you could live in.
And then the houses across from the lake.
Right. And then
There's many options.
they kind of built all that with the downtown in mind,
Yes.
which is awesome because then you could live here and walk to all this stuff. I mean, that's amazing. Without having a super urban feel, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and as always, pet friendly.
Yes.
Which it seems like it's very common in the Southwest Florida areas.
Yes, they always give preference to the pooches. And they're building some more stuff, as you can see over here. Like this is far from complete yet, but a lot of it is here. We'll take you to see some of the equipment, but not all of it because it is pretty hot out. It's July. Yeah. It's been an unusually dry and hot summer. We normally get a rain shower every day, and we're almost to the end of July, and I think it's rained like
3 times.
Maybe? 3 or 4 times, like actually like a good rain.
So the lake, usually doesn't look like this.
Yeah.
It looks much better. Right now it's kind of scuzzy because we haven't had any rain, but we've been here I think it was about 3 months, 4 months ago.
Yeah.
And it looked beautiful.
Yeah, exactly. So here's one of the pieces of equipment. You can see over here, I'll zoom in, got your volleyball there.
That's probably gonna be bathrooms over there.
Yeah, you got some shaded area. I think that might even, if I had to guess, maybe be a pool there or something, or a splash pad.
It looks like a splash pad.
Yeah, probably a splash pad.
And the volleyball courts.
Lots of benches. As you can see, more exercise equipment And over here, another cool touch, hammocks. So you can relax. Oh, there's one right there. You can see in blue, the hammock there. So you can relax by the volleyball courts, which is pretty cool. Another restaurant over here. Got your Korean steakhouse.
And they do have a farmer's market as well. I'm not 100% sure when that is though.
Yeah, we got so many farmers markets to choose from in the area now. We live in Venice, so we've also got the Welland Park one. We got the Inglewood one on Dearborn Street.
Northport has one.
Yeah, which is awesome though, because they all have a little bit different vibe, different vendors. Got some balcony seating. That's awesome, especially for a hot day. They got the fans up there too. And today is that hot day.
The black dog.
They named this place after our dog because she's black. Actually, I think there's one of those in St. Armand Circle.
Yeah. If you're looking to move to the area, make sure to call, text, or email us. I am a local realtor here, 941-221-1897. Call or text at any time. Whether you're looking to move in the next few days or the next few months, we have your back. We hear from people all the time, and we love it.
If you found the video helpful, subscribe and turn on all notifications to catch newest tours, house tours, updates on the area and what's going on. Hit the like button and
Live breezy.